I started my medical career in South Africa, in Johannesburg, where I did my undergraduate training, but moved over to the UK and did all my specialist training in the UK, with the exception of 2 fellowships, one in the United States and one in Canada. And then I was back in the UK, working in London as a consultant ENT surgeon with a special interest in rhinology and nasal plastic surgery. I was there for probably 26 years it was, and then decided to make the move to Dubai. So we see patients who have had broken noses, who have a deviated septum because it's grown that way. They've got various other congenital malformations and so on. So all of these rhinoplasty patients who need rhinoplasties come to ENT. So our juniors from a young age learn how to do rhinoplasty, and I've always been interested in that area. And I was lucky enough to work with some consultants who are real experts in that area, who sort of fired me up when I was a junior trainee. And as a result, I've just followed that through. So I've had a lot of experience in that for many, many years now. So I've been doing rhinoplasties for nearly 30 years. Rhinologists probably make the best rhinoplasty surgeons because they're concerned not just with how the nose looks, but how it works as well. I was called by Allocation Assist and said, look, we've got this thing with Mediclinic, and you were very enthusiastic about it because you felt that Mediclinic was probably one of the best hospital chains in UAE. And so I thought, fair enough, let's try it. And in fact, behind the scenes, I spoke to 2 of my colleagues who had also worked for Mediclinic, which was really helpful because both of them came up with exactly the same story, in that it was a very good unit, very good group of hospitals. They look after their staff, facilities are great, working conditions are great. And it was interesting because both of them said exactly the same thing independently,
yes,
which exactly mirrored the enthusiasm that you guys had. So I felt very comfortable in applying for something with Mediclinic because I understood that they had a good reputation and it was a good service to work with.